Hey guys, what we got here today is a Boker USA Old Stag Congress. It's got 4 blades. We got 2 blades with broken tips. There's one right there. And here's the other blade. This knife needs a good cleaning. It says Stag, Old Stag, but it's not Stag handles at all. It's plastic, what you call Delrin. We're going to be giving the 2 blades new points and just giving it a good overall cleaning. So I'm going to be using the 3-inch grinder with the fabric wheel just to get the surface rust off and shine up that brass right there. She cleaned up pretty well. Now to fix the blades. Okay, what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to come down a little bit from the top and come up a little bit from the bottom to meet. That way it won't be much of a point here sticking up, but you don't want to do it too much because then you're going to expose this point here of that blade. See that this blade here covers this blade, and when you lower it down, it's going to expose that point right there. Again, I'm going to come down from the top and come up from the bottom, a little bit on each side. Not a bad looking blade. How about that? Perfect, ain't it? Not bad at all. Okay, now we're going to sharpen the knife. I'm going to start with these 2 blades I just did, which are pretty sharp now. We're just going to condition, just hone it in a little bit. That's the new blade. Got a nice little edge on it. It's sharp. Now I'm going to use Never Dull on the knife to give it a good shine. Okay, now I'm gonna oil it down real good. Probably feels like the Tin Man on the Wizard of Oz.
Oil my arms, please. Oil my elbows.
Did that hurt?
No, it feels wonderful. I've held that axe up for ages.
careful. On a 4-blade knife, you can cut yourself easy. Okay, here she is. All cleaned up. The bolster's cleaned up good. The brass cleaned up very well. I gave these 2 blades here new tips and nice edge. They're sharp as a razor. I even sharpened these 2 blades. There's the number right there, the model number. And you see it's Boker, USA. You see that brass on the inside cleaned up excellent. Great looking knife. This knife was made in the mid-70s. You hear the blades got their snap. Great knife. A lot better shape than when I found her. And remade in the USA.